in the hierarchy of accident, the two important factors are there: unsafe condition, which is called as substandard condition, and then unsafe act, or you can say substandard act. If both are there, then this can contribute near misses, go on the right side. If you see here, the forklift is here, and the fork is on suspended load, and person is going to stand beneath the suspended load. So there may be a possibility something may fall from the top, and luckily the person survived. But if you don't correct substandard condition, substandard act, or learn something from near misses, then this will convert into accident. If in case there is any incidents or high potential near misses or high potential incidents, this must be reported as per ADNOC incident management system, so that this can be investigated, root causes can be identified, and the recommendations are implemented to prevent the reoccurrences. So guys, if you feel to add something, please feel free to add something here, or else I request directly ILF team to explain the project scope. Then I will take care about the methodology. So Suresh and team, ILF team.